Burger King Key Franchise Information. Series Franchise Business: The Guide to Franchises. Goals, mission, and vision of Burger King. Burger King is one of the largest fast food chains in the world, known for serving burgers, fries, and other classic dishes. The brand was founded in 1954 by James McLamore and David Edgerton. Burger King's mission is to provide delicious and affordable meals in a friendly atmosphere. The company's vision is to become the #1 choice in the fast food industry by offering exceptional value and customer experience. Today, Burger King has over 19,000 locations in more than 100 countries, earning revenue from product sales, franchise fees, and franchisee support. Wondering if a Burger King franchise is the right choice? In this video, you'll find key information about this brand, from initial costs, through its business model, to the support it offers to its partners. 1. How does a Burger King franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Burger King operates as a franchise system, where local restaurants are run by individual entrepreneurs according to the brand's standards. Fee structure. Franchisees pay a one-time initial fee of $50,000, licensing fees of 4.5% of annual gross revenue, and marketing fees of 4%. Support from Burger King. The brand provides comprehensive training, operational assistance, and access to marketing materials and advertising campaigns.
Anecdote. One of Burger King's most famous slogans is "Have it your way." Introduced in 1974, its goal was to highlight that customers can customize their orders to suit their preferences.
2. Entry costs for Burger King. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total entry costs range from $2,160,000 to $3,800,000. These include the licensing fee $50,000, restaurant construction or adaptation, equipment purchases, employee training, inventory, and required permits. Potential earnings. The average annual revenue for a Burger King restaurant ranges from $1,300,000 to $2 million, depending on location, management, and marketing efforts.
Anecdote. The first Burger King restaurant opened in Miami, Florida, with only a few items on the menu. Today, the brand offers a wide range of products, including the iconic Whopper.
3. Step-by-step how to register a Burger King franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Submit an application form, undergo interviews and financial verification for candidates. Documentation required. Proof of net worth of $1,500,000 and liquid assets of $500,000. Timeline. The registration process and restaurant preparation takes 6 to 10 months.
Anecdote. The Whopper, Burger King's flagship product, was introduced in 1957 in response to the growing popularity of larger burgers. It originally cost just 37 cents.
4. Taxes and fees in Burger King. What do you need to know before starting? Key information. Income tax. Franchise revenue is federally taxed at rates ranging from 10% to 37% of annual gross revenue. Property taxes range from 1% to 4% of annual gross revenue, covering the property tax for the restaurant location. State and local taxes range from 1% to 3% of annual gross revenue, including sales tax, use tax, and additional fees for permits. Licensing fees account for 0.5% 1% of annual gross revenue and include rights to use the brand and access to technical support and training. Training costs are included in licensing fees. Marketing fees total 4% of annual gross revenue, funding nationwide advertising campaigns and promotions.
Anecdote: Burger King was one of the first brands to start an advertising war with McDonald's in the 1970s, showcasing how competition in fast food could be highly creative.
5. Hiring employees in Burger King. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information: number of employees. A standard Burger King restaurant requires 20 to 30 employees depending on size and hours of operation. Training costs. Training costs per employee range from $300 to $800 and are included in licensing fees. Training systems. Burger King offers onboarding programs for new employees and online courses available to the entire team.
Anecdote: in 2019, Burger King surprised customers with a campaign advertising the Whopper as no preservatives, demonstrating how their product naturally decomposes. This was an example of modern marketing.
6. Burger King operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information: ingredients and resources. Monthly costs for ingredients, such as meat, bread, and vegetables, range from $20,000 to $30,000. Salaries and benefits. Monthly payroll costs for employees range from $15,000 to $25,000. Rent and utilities. Monthly rent ranges from $8,000 to $15,000, while utility costs range from $2,000 to $4,000. Insurance for premises. Insurance costs for damages and accidents range from $500 to $2,000 monthly. Maintenance and repairs. Monthly maintenance expenses range from $1,000 to $2,500. Licensing and marketing fees. Combined monthly costs range from $7,000 to $12,000.
Anecdote: Burger King introduced self-service kiosks in many locations, helping reduce operational costs and improving service efficiency.
Evan? Training and support. How does Burger King help its franchisees? Key information: initial training. A 2-week intensive onboarding program for new franchisees. Operational support. Constant access to operational consultants and technical assistance. E-learning platform. Advanced online courses available to owners and employees. Marketing. Nationwide advertising campaigns and support for local marketing initiatives.
Anecdote: in 2021, Burger King collaborated with popular influencers to promote their new plant-based product line, successfully attracting younger customers to the brand.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 8. Franchise inspections in Burger King. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information: external inspections. Regular health and safety inspections conducted by local and state institutions to ensure compliance with regulations. Internal inspections. Burger King performs audits for quality, operational standards, and adherence to brand guidelines. Frequency. Inspections are conducted quarterly to ensure the highest operational quality and meet the expectations of customers and investors.
Anecdote. Burger King introduced fun elements during restaurant inspections, such as Whopper Excellence Awards, to encourage franchisees to maintain high standards. This initiative quickly gained popularity.
Profitability of Burger King. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Profit margins range between 10% and 18%, making Burger King one of the more profitable franchise models. Return on investment (ROI). Investment costs are typically recovered within 7-10 years of opening a location. Success factors. Key elements include location, effective team management, and successful marketing campaigns.
Anecdote. In the 1980s, one Burger King franchisee in Florida achieved the highest annual profit in the entire United States, serving as inspiration for other restaurant owners.
10. Burger King in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Burger King holds the second position in the fast food industry in the USA, with over 19,000 locations in more than 100 countries. Growth and expansion. The brand is investing in urban and suburban growth and testing new technologies like self-service kiosks and mobile apps. Challenges. Competition from McDonald's and local fast food brands forces Burger King to continually innovate. Forecasts. Burger King plans to introduce more plant-based options and expand digital campaigns to attract younger generations of customers.
Anecdote. In 2019, Burger King launched the Whopper Dieter campaign, offering a Whopper for just 1 cent, but only if customers ordered it while standing near a McDonald's restaurant. The campaign gained huge recognition and millions of orders.
11. Pros and cons of a Burger King franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. Recognizable brand. Burger King is globally known and has loyal customers. Operational support provides training, technical advice, and marketing assistance. Flexible menu offers a wide range of products suited to various dietary preferences. Cons. High initial investment costs range from $2,160,000 to $3,800,000. Strong competition. The fast food market is saturated with major competitors like McDonald's. Operational requirements. Franchisees must adhere to strict brand standards.
Anecdote. In 2021, Burger King conducted studies showing that restaurants with unique decor and local accents attract more customers, encouraging franchisees to be creative.
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Analyze competition, demographics, and location. Financial assessment. Check your financial capacity and plan a reserve for unexpected costs. Consultations with experts. Learn from advisors and discussions with current franchisees. Support evaluation. Ensure the franchisor provides reliable operational and marketing support. Franchise agreement analysis. Review each point of the agreement carefully to avoid surprises in the future.
Anecdote. In the 1990s, a Burger King franchisee in California invested in a location near a busy highway and achieved record-breaking revenue, demonstrating the importance of choosing the right location.
Conclusion. Who is the Burger King franchise for, and is it worth investing? A Burger King franchise is an ideal choice for individuals with management experience or those ready to invest in a proven business model. Although it requires significant financial resources, it offers stable operational and marketing support and strong profit potential. Burger King is a brand that continuously evolves and adapts to changing customer needs. For entrepreneurs looking for opportunities in the food industry, a Burger King franchise can be a great fit. However, understanding the market, selecting the right location, and committing to maintaining high operational standards are key. Is it worth investing? If you dream of running your own business and want to collaborate with a globally recognized brand, Burger King offers an excellent opportunity. However, this decision requires careful consideration of all financial and operational aspects to ensure the investment's success. Bibliography: Franchise Times, Franchise Business Review, Franchise World, Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, the Guide to Franchises. Taco Bell. Is Taco Bell a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.